Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Emmanuel Wamala, and I want to share with you something here. So many people ask me why should I tell other people about digital adverts, and why don't I just watch adverts alone? And I want to tell you, I want to share something that if you're in digital adverts, especially if you're a founding member, take this business serious and build a network. Have people in your network, people that you are going to help you earn a residual income. Residual income means other people are putting in their time, their effort, their experience, but you're making money. Now look at today's earning. Today is 24th of February. My network have been making money. This is the first page of my dashboard. First page. I mean, from watching adverts, not me watching, but other people watching. Let me show you another page. Page number 2. Page number 2 still continues. People are watching adverts and I'm earning. This is all 24th. Second page, third page, also money coming from watching adverts from other people. People putting in their time, their data, and I'm earning. Now you can see here, I have also earned 15,000 twice from people activating. This is the referral commission. That is 30,000 already, plus 1,000 plus 1,000. That is already hey, my goodness. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not in this business, if you're not building a network, if you're not building a team, trust me, you're missing out. If you're the only person watching adverts, especially when you're a founding member, there is a problem. There is a problem. Look, this is all still 24th. 24th. Very good money. 24th. Oh, this is 24th. Those are 4 pages. Let me take you to page number 5. 5 pages. Wow, digital adverts is a real game-changing business. Look, I started off my day with 1,000 very early in the morning. In fact, in the night, I ended the day with 1,000 from referral commission from others. That was yesterday, 23rd of the month. So what we are talking about, what we are telling you, that when you get this opportunity, don't keep quiet. This is what we mean. Go out there and share with your friends. It will bring you what we call a residual income, money that you will make even when yourself have not put in an effort that day. So I want to encourage you, go and build a network. Go and build a team. I have done that. I am not alone. I have a network of over 900 people. So we can be able to make money together. Thank you so much. May God bless you.